Hello YouTube, Teacher This in Life here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really cool knife to unbox for you. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm using my Spyderco Para 3 lightweight, the REC exclusive one, to unbox this. Let's cut this box open. Okay, almost there. Okay. This one I bought it from the National Knives, and it comes with this handy towel you can use to wipe your knife clean. It's side the towel and box aside, and here is the knife. This one is coming from Spyderco as well. Model name is Para 3 and Brown G10 15V steel. Super cool. Let's open it up. So we have the knife here, and we have a Spyderco sticker and the card for information, and we also have a letter from Spyderco. Yeah, you can pause and read the information, but basically it just says it's super wear resistant steel. Yep, and we have a manual here as well. Cool. Let's put this aside for now. And here is the knife. Okay. Brown G10 handle. It's pretty grippy. I don't know if you can see the G10 handle has some texture on it. Pretty grippy, super good in hand. Let's give it a flick. Super good action. And this one is in stone-washed blade. Look at their logo. This, I think this is the B logo. And here is a Spyderco logo. And steel CPM 15V. It's a compression lock. Typical Spyderco pocket clip, which I will probably replace with MXG pocket clip because I like the deep carry functionality of the MXG. Okay, let's see the closing action. Yeah, pretty smooth. Right out of the box, there's no lock stick. Super good action. Check out the centering. Pretty centered, as you can see. Yep. And check out the bevel on the knife. It's pretty good, surprisingly. Usually Spyderco's bevel is not good. Let's do a quick comparison between this Para 3 and the Para 3 lightweight. They are identical in length and width, but this one is lighter because it only has one liner, I think. And this one has both liners. And this one has 204P steel, which is stainless, but this one, the CPM 15V, is not a stainless steel. So I did buy this EDCI formula. You can just spray some of this on the blade to form a coat to prevent any rusting. And yeah, and let's compare it to the PM2. This one is the GP Knives exclusive, I think. This one has REX 76 still. As you can see, a lot longer than the Para 3. And let's compare it to my Big Idea Design TI Pocket Knife 2. They are pretty similar, just a touch shorter than the TI Pocket Knife 2. And how about compared to my Escher knife Spiral? Yeah, really close in size as well, just a touch shorter. Okay, now let's actually weigh this knife, see how much this knife weighs. Okay, this knife weighs 3.376 ounces, not bad. And just to compare it, this is my lightweight Para 3. Let's see how much this one weighs. 2.515 ounces. Super lightweight, this one. But this one is not bad at all. It's 3.376. Yeah, super good for EDC. Let's actually cut something with this Para 3. See how well this one cuts. Ooh, super slicey right out of the box. You can see this 15V can cut all day. Yeah, the wear resistance on this steel is off the roof. Okay, now let's talk about the price. This one retails for, I think, 220-ish. But I got this one from National Knives for only $196, I think, which is a really good deal for what you're getting. 15V steel is super good. And this bronze G10 handle is pretty nice for the price as well. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Let me know what you think about this knife. Yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. See you in my next video. Take care.